Welcome everybody to our newest listing in Daphne, 9532 Collier Loop in the sought after Chelcey Place. I'm Tim Wynock, Chad Dyche and I make up living on Alabama's Gulf Coast. We are Gulf Coast real estate experts that utilize a double coverage model. Hit us up for any of your real estate needs in the 251. This custom built 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, all brick home has 1,840 square feet, and boy is it priced to sell. Come on inside as Chad's going to show you what this home has to offer.
What's up guys, this home is a split floor plan. We're going to start here at the front of the house where you have this grand entryway, the 3 guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom all separated from the master suite. Next up, we're in the kitchen with this huge breakfast bar. You have 2 separate dining areas. You have the breakfast room over here, and then you have a formal dining area overlooking the backyard, and all of this flows directly into the living room. Speaking of the living room, this one gives you that elegant feel with the crown molding, the gas fireplace, and the custom built-ins. Not only that, this has 10-foot ceilings giving you that extra spacious feel. Most people spend the majority of the time in their living rooms, and this one will make you feel right at home. Now we're here in the spacious master retreat where you have vaulted ceilings and this beautiful window looking into the backyard. And in the master bathroom, you have double vanity sinks, a stand-up shower with a bench, a separate soaking tub, and separate his and her closets. To finish things off, you have this screened-in back patio that's perfect for all year round. It's hooked up to electricity so you can bring your TV out here, throw your grill out here, do with it what you may.
Well, that's a wrap on 9532 Collier Loop. If you want to see this property or any other property along Alabama's Gulf Coast, give Chad and I a call and we'll make it happen. Help us keep selling the 251. Got to run because we got another closing to get to.